How you doing? How you doing? So this video is for it's first choice foundation repair. You guys got a lot of names, but my name is Joseph Graham. I'm from Fort Worth, Texas. I am a marketing consultant. I was asking around the community for some reputable, pretty reputable foundation companies in town, and you guys came up. So this is why I'm making this video. I'm going to show you something that regards this GMB and this GMB right here, right? So congratulations, first and foremost, for even having three GMBs. Now it's time to utilize these three because what most businesses don't really understand is these GMBs are the most valuable thing that you can have on the internet. And I'm going to show you why. You've probably never heard anybody say this before. You've probably never heard your SEO. You're probably paying 2, 3, 5 grand a month say this, but I'm gonna show you something real quick. All right. So I think I ran the Hearst one and I ran this one. Okay. Now if I'm looking for foundation repair or if anybody's looking for anything, it doesn't matter if it's a foot surgeon or foundation repair or French drain, they're gonna do one of two things. They're gonna ask somebody they know, hey, do you know who can do this for me? Do you know anybody that can do this? Right? And that's how you get the word of mouth referral. Awesome. Other than that, what people are going to do is hop on Google, use these free Google searches, and they're going to do some searching. They're going to see ads. They're going to see map listings. They're going to see questions and these organic businesses, right? Did you know that these map listings, these top three businesses in these map listings get 70 to 75% of the traffic? So if you're a phone driven business like you, that means you're going to get 70 to 75% of the phone calls. If you're a walk-in or brick and mortar, that means more walk-ins, right? So the money is in these map listings. Now what this map listing shows, where's it at? Yeah, this is your Hearst location. This is the one with the 24 reviews. So this shows everywhere you are and are not ranking in these map listings, all right? These numbers are true. We got data, and there's tons of data behind the statement that I just made that the bulk of the traffic is in these map listings. This is why we developed these tools. All right, so let's just take Hearst because I'm from Fort Worth. So I literally have to be in this area of Hearst searching for a foundation repair for you guys to pop up number one, right? Orozco's next, then you got JC. I can also click on Orozco and see everywhere Orozco is ranking. So Orozco got these areas right here unlock whenever people search for foundation repair. These guys are also, you know, making sales in these areas. Just swap back over here to Dallas. Is this even Dallas? It's like North Dallas, right? So yeah, literally, where if I'm standing by your office or your house, wherever this GMB was set up, and I search for foundation repair, you will appear number one. But if I go down the street, you're going to be number 5, 11, and out of bounds. So then you got these three, you're a 5. There's 4 businesses stacked on top of you. 4 businesses stacked on top of you. All right, we can look at HD, Stratum, boom, right? They're getting a lot of phone calls in these areas right here. All these areas, Stratum, 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 Stratum. You know what I mean? They're not doing nothing special. They're not doing anything special. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I made a video for Stratum, but guess what? They're slipping in a lot of areas that I'm going to discuss. So it's really up to you guys to who wants to take advantage of what I'm telling you. I'm not telling you anything different than I'm telling them. This is how you're going to correct this. Although you are behind, this is how you're going to correct this. 1, you're going to have to optimize every GMB that you have. This one, remember, I told you this is the most valuable asset you have online. Well, guess what? You have 3 of them. Optimize them, right? Treat it like freaking precious black gold, like oil. No, not like oil. But look, Still, you look, it's missing the hours of operation. It's missing a lot of stuff, right? And then you're gonna start collecting reviews. So when you collect these reviews, I'll just give this one because this one doesn't have, you know, any reviews. When you're collecting these reviews, what you want to do is you want people to state what neighborhood slash city that they're from. So let's say I'm from, okay, this is the Hearst. This is the Hearst GMB. So I'm from Fort Worth. Let's just say like from Hearst, Texas. Thanks for installing my French drain. And then guess what? I go to my backyard and I take a picture of the French drain that you guys just installed. But here's the kicker. I make sure that the location is turned on my cell phone because what that does is it geotags the picture. So now you're leaving breadcrumbs. You're telling Google, hey, this guy that just gave me a review is from Hearst, Texas, and the picture is from Hearst, Texas. What? So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna create a post. You don't have to, but I mean, why not? Why not? I mean, you got people in the office that don't do nothing. I'm sure someone's on Facebook. So you're gonna connect. This is what I like to do. I like to connect my GMB with my, social media accounts like Instagram and Facebook. And if you have a blog on your website, connect it to your blog so that way this post you only have to make one post and you can spread it on across different platforms. But look, check it out. So I was from Hearst, Texas. That's what the when this actually uploads, it's going to say that. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a post, say, hey, we have another happy client from Hearst, Texas. And what that's going to do is it's going to start making you guys more relevant in those areas, right? It's going to start making you more relevant in those areas, right? So this is the Hearst. Even though, yeah, you might be number one in Hearst, but still like Bedford, in these other areas, you can start targeting that way, that specific way I just showed you. Having people comment the review, posting pictures of geotag photos of the work, and essentially you're gonna start getting more calls and making more sales. All right. So with that said, thanks for watching. I'm gonna send you a copy of this. Poke around, look around, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.